In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom online meeting. If you've never hosted before, don't worry. This walkthrough keeps things simple and lets you start right from your web browser. No complicated setup and nothing extra to install if you don't want to. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Zoom by typing zoom.com in the address bar. Give the page a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Zoom's familiar branding and navigation. For the smoothest experience, use a modern, up-to-date browser so video and audio features work reliably. Next, look toward the top right corner of the site and click Host. This is the option that starts a meeting where you're in control. Think of it as opening the room where others can join you. The Host button is different from Join or Sign In. Hosting creates the session, while joining means entering a session that already exists. After clicking Host, Zoom will present a few simple choices for how you want to start. You'll typically see options like starting with your camera on, starting with your camera off, or sharing your screen only. Pick the option that best fits your situation. If you're on camera and ready to go, choose video on. If you prefer to settle in first or limit bandwidth, choose video off. If your goal is to walk people through slides or a demo without appearing on camera, screen share only is a clean and focused choice. When the setup page appears, look for the small link that says Join from Browser and click it. This is the key step if you'd rather not download or open the desktop application. The page may encourage you to use the app, but the Join from Browser link lets you host entirely on the web. It's especially handy on shared computers, locked down work devices, or whenever you just want to get started quickly. Using the browser means your camera and microphone are handled by the site directly, and you'll still have access to the core meeting features you need to run your session. That's it. You've just launched a Zoom meeting as the host from your browser. From here, you'll see the standard meeting interface so you can speak, present, and guide participants with confidence. To recap the flow you followed, go to the Zoom website, click Host at the top right, choose how you want to start, and select Join from Browser. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be ready to host a smooth, professional Zoom meeting anytime.